Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing cheese toastie in the microwave. Yes, you heard it right, in the microwave. We have a microwavable cheese toastie maker. Let's get on with it. So this is my microwavable cheese toastie maker. I've got it on Amazon. I'll leave a link down below in the description box of where I purchased mine. This is the Mico Dinker. You can see that. But they're relatively cheap. They range between about 15 and 20 pounds in the UK. And inside, if you unclip it, you have these metal non-stick coated plates, and they're wrapped around the silicone outer layer. As you can see, you can take them out quite easily. All dishwasher safe, easy to get back in. And what we're going to be doing is putting our bread in there and in there, and putting the fillings in, putting it in the microwave. My sweet spot for this is 1.5 minutes per side, and I really like the amount of toast and crisp that you get from it. So let's build this sandwich. So we're going to take this one away for now, and we're going to leave this one here. I've got my bread. Now the only problem with the bread in the UK is these are square, as you can see, but the bread is not square. So we can have to just trim off the bottom edge there. I'll just do that now quickly. So about that much. Just get rid of that. We do the same on the other slice. Now you can have a filling of your choice. Say I'm going to be doing cheese and Marmite. You can have cheese and ham, cheese and onion, cheese and tomato, cheese and whatever you like, whatever's your favourite. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be buttering these two. Just going to get some butter out. And we don't want to go too mad, but we just want enough to cover the whole of the slice. There we are. Perfect. We'll just get rid of these. I can put the butter away. And then what I'm going to do is start building up the cheese toastie. So, first of all, I'm going to get our bottom layer of the sandwich maker. And I'm going to put this butter side down inside there, like so. Just put that one over there for now. Now I'm going to add my cheese. Now, the trick here, as you can see, the cheese goes quite close to the edges, which means you can get a bit of spillage when it starts cooking and melting. So what I'm going to do is just break off that bit of cheese there, like so. And then I'm going to drizzle a little bit of Marmite on top. Not a lot, not a big fan of Marmite, but I just like a little drizzle. Making a mess of this. And this cheese, once it starts melting, is going to start spreading out to the edges of the bread. A little bit more. I'll use the butter knife to get this off. And what I tend to do, I'm making a right mess of this, aren't I? Let's get him back in place. I tend to build up my sandwich and then take this to work. And it's perfect to just at lunchtime, put it in the microwave, 3 minutes, and you have a lovely toasted sandwich. And again, I'm just going to take a bit of that off, like so. There we are. Okay. Now, we have our other piece of buttered bread. Let's just get rid of the Marmite. And what we'll do is we'll put this on the other plate, like so, butter side down, and all we're going to do is put that on top. It's quite easy to line up, and I'm just going to push down so the edges meet. Put these clips in place. As I said, all dishwasher safe, so if there is a bit of spillage, just chuck it all in the dishwasher, and then we have it. Now that's what I take to work lunchtime, put it in the microwave for 3 minutes, and I have a lovely toasted sandwich. So let's get this in the microwave, and I'll see you in 3 minutes. But we're going to open up now our microwavable cheese toastie maker. I have a knife here ready. Let's take the top plate off first. Wow! Look at that. You can see it sizzling away. A little bit of spillage there, but nothing too major. Let's turn this over. Ooh! And there we have our toastie. I'm going to cut it in half. Hear it crunch. And that is lunch. If you're at work, perfect snack while you're at work. I'm just going to cut into it now. There you go. Lovely and crunchy. Let's give it a taste. That is amazing. Absolutely cooked perfectly. Lovely crunch to it. The Marmite really is complementing the cheese. Let me know in the comments what fillings you do in your toasties. But that is amazing. If you've enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more future content. Leave any comments down below. Let me know your recipes of cheese toasties or any other toasties. And if you'd like to support the channel, you can become a member. It's only £1.99, and we will be doing some members only shorts, some early access videos, so it's well worth signing up for. And I will see you in the next video. Take care and bye for now.